isolation transformer, all labelled up. There's the little smoothing board. There's the reefer caps I took out. There's the replacements. Time to fit them. Oh, while I'm waiting for the soldering line to warm up, is on. It's a bit of a mess there because I've been doing more work on my workbench. Finished my variac, labelled that up. This will go in there. I'm going to have a normal power supply in there. That's my oscilloscope. Nice old one. Vintage. That is my function generator, or what used to be, after it had an accident. Got recased into that as a temporary thing. I've got to buy a new instrument case for that and set it all up again. Oh, I have this is my dim bulb tester, my current limiter. There's a socket, bulb holder when I get some new bulbs, and that is my upgrade when I get around to doing it. I'm going to fit a little meter on there to show the amps and watts and voltages. That's the bypass switch for the bulb. That's the on-off switch for the socket. Nice, simple and effective. Right, let's open up this package. There we go, bit of a size difference. Focus. There's the original reefers. And that's the new Y1 caps to replace them. Circus board here. Yeah. Let's pop this one in out my hand. Yes, a little bit of persuasion there on that. That's in. Flip this over and solder it. It's all soldered. Save that. Save that. Save that. Done. Caps are in place. Orders are okay. That is the anti-surge. They filter the high frequencies. That filters are very high frequencies. It's a choke. And on the output side, we've got a nice big juicy cap and some more chokes. I have wired up this first socket as a hoofed because I don't really have any spare sockets. and I can always use it as a spare socket. Plus, it's got 3 sockets, so 2 of them are isolated. One I'll plug my variac into, and one my dimboard tester when I need to, or things on the test. That's a main reserve socket. There's no on-off switch. When I got this, it's a medical device for stabilising the mains for medical equipment. It's got a 5 amp transformer in it. They fitted 5 amp trip in place of the switch at some point. There's no space below that, although there is on the case. There's a block underneath that, and there's a rivet and stuff that prevent me from putting a on-off switch. So this has no on-off switch. None at the back. There's a fuse at the back, but no on-off switch. So in order to have some control over this, on my shelf unit, I've wired in an extension socket, which this will plug into, so I can then switch it on and off. So it's my little bodge, because they didn't do a very good job of theirs. Yes, just got to put it back together now, then that's all done. Looks like things are coming along nicely. Got some little drawers to put up. I've got some here with electrolytics in, some more capacitors in there, probably some more capacitors in there, and these resistors that's in here will go into them drawers there across the top, maybe, or they'll go in the cupboard there. I'm not sure yet. Got plenty of these tray things to put up in the cupboard, probably for other storage items. Get some more of these drawer units when Aldi has them in again to put in the cupboard. I've got a top shelf. I've got to shift that fishing stuff from there. I'm just going to go over there, over that bit there. Alright, got some drawers here. Old unit just happened to fit, which I'm going to put things in. Transfer these what's in here out. To do with me lathe. But yes, things are coming along. This monster is my air ventilation system. I built it into the shelf unit because it's rather a large extractor fan, which I salvaged when I had a new kitchen fitted. They were going to throw this one away in a skip. Brand new. There's a bit of the casing missing from the back, which is not a problem, so I don't need the rear case. This pulls air inside of here, and in there is a sponge, piece of road sponge with a filter sheet over the top, and then I just got to unscrew it. This lifts off. This front cover comes off. This unit lifts off. I can pull the sheet out, put a new sheet in. Great. Nice little fan there. Keep the fumes away when I'm doing a lot of soldering. Got some drawers here to fill up. That's my temporary multimeter drawer at the moment, where I keep my multimeters. But they might end up in here, or my regular screwdrivers and stuff will end up in here. I've got to sort the tools out. Underneath the bench, when it's finished, is a 3-drawer unit. My dog and a space at the side there, which I might put a tower, a nice slimline tower in there for a PC. And then I've it wide up the back up the back there and have a monitor on the wall, so I can check things out on the internet and stuff. Keep a little database on there. Yes, get a monitor up there, wire in the other wires, and I might build this one in and have a breakout board so I can plug things in here that will go up to the monitor up there and other things. I don't know yet. Or I might just have a little block somewhere. But yes, my shelves are filling up. That function generator will get done when I order a new case for it. Got that set up. It's only it's old one. I dropped some on the old case and the case was a bit brittle and it just shattered. So I used an old radio, not a vintage one, I'll add. It was a cheap, nasty thing that didn't work, so I just stuck everything inside there. I've got a couple more shelves there to fill, another power supply, and I've got to get some more equipment. I need an RF generator. That'll go in there. Maybe a new frequency generator, function generator thing. Get a couple of them in there. Yes, and I'll be all set. Well, that's a quick tour of my workbench. More stuff to come. Nice.